Hey love, so today I'm going to be reviewing yet another DIY design I did previously. So you guys already know that I do make these reviews to just build you guys faith and make you guys understand how DIY works and how you shouldn't be scared to just experiment, especially on your old clothing items if you're not yet sure, because it's most of the time it's really easy and it does last, it does work. So today, this is the dress I'm reviewing. There isn't much to this. I just placed on these beads on here because the dress was really plain and it was really looking cheap, because I got this for about $2 or $3. Like, this is the cheapest item in my wardrobe, right? So I want to know, just updo and add a little flair to it a little bit, and that was why I decided to do this. So I placed on the beads, and I'm gonna leave the clip up here or up here for you to see the, like, originally how I did just place this noise. It was pretty easy. You can do this in 5 minutes or thereabout. So I'm just gonna try this on, and like I said, I did this about a year ago, if not more, and it's still on there. Like, nothing is changed, right? It's still on there, and I'm gonna try it on so that you guys can see what it looks like today. I'm gonna show you guys how I dress up with it as well, so that you guys will just have the idea. All right, so yeah. Hey loves, it hey loves, as you guys already know, the object of our review, or the object hey loves, welcome back to my channel. No. Hey loves, the objective.